Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Wallah. So dear students, this session is very much important for all of you, specifically the students who are in the first year of their BTech, specifically electronics and electrical engineer. So when you are in the first year, most of the students are enjoying the college, and obviously you should enjoy because it is your new life after the 12th class. First time you are going from school to college, but along with that you are having a too much responsibility because this is the last course, we can say, where you are actually building your life, actually building your concept so that you can get the job. That's why this is very much important, right? So the point is, here you have to decide how to proceed upcoming 4 years or 5 years so that finally you will get succeed in your life, specifically economic point of view. So this session is very much important for those who are in the first year and second year of their BTech. So GATE 2029, how and when to start your preparation. So in this session I will discuss, if you are preparing for GATE 2029, then how you should start your preparation and what is the effective way of study and how you have to plan your study so that in the semester also you will get good marks. Along with that, in the GATE examination finally you will get a great success. So that all points I am going to discuss over here, and this guidance is precious for all of you, those who are listening this video. So the point is, why start GATE preparation in first year? Why it is important to start GATE preparation early? So it is not only for first year student. Suppose you are in the second year of your college, then also this session is very much important for you. You should start your GATE preparation as early as possible. It doesn't mean that you should start your GATE preparation in 11th class or 12th class. Okay, at that time your goal is IIT JEE. But most of you didn't get the expected college after 12th, but after BTech you want to do MTech, you want good PSU's job after getting pass out from your BTech college, and you want to fulfill your dreams, then this is the right time to start your preparation in the first year or second year of your college. So whenever you start preparing for GATE examination, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, which provides you MTech admission in the top IITs, along with that NITs, and direct government job, that is called PSUs. You might have heard the name of ONGC, NTPC, BHEL, GAIL, HPCL, Airport Authority of India. These jobs are offered based on the GATE examination. So whenever you are in the first year, you are starting early for the GATE preparation, you will get two goals completed. One is you are also improving your marks in the semesters compared to your friends when you are preparing for the GATE examination, because your technical subjects gets stronger and stronger. And along with that, in final year or third year, if you are appearing for the GATE examination, you will be doing great job at that time. That's why the preparation of GATE exam as early as possible is always beneficial. And when you are preparing early, it builds your strong fundamentals, strong foundation. And when your foundation or fundamentals are strong from first year itself, then definitely you will not find any difficulty in upcoming years in core subjects. In the later year, like second year, third year, you are having the core engineering subject, you will never find any difficulty. And along with that, for the preparation of GATE and engineering services kind of examination, you will not find any difficulty. Okay, so more time for concept clarity plus practice. If you are preparing from first year, you are having a time span of 2 years, 3 years for the GATE examination. So you are having good time for good practice, building the fundamental, and clarity of the concept will be there in your mind, and you can practice a lot of the questions because you are investing too much time for the examination. Less pressure in final year. You know very well, whenever you will be in the final year, right now you might know, don't know about your final year phase, but the point is, in the final year you are having the BTech projects, too much pressure, and along with that psychological pressure you are having. In the final year you are having too much expectation from yourself, your family, surrounding and society is also having expectation from yourself. Why so? Because they are thinking that the student or that person is doing BTech from this reputed college, he should get or she should get a very good job, good placement. So you are having the pressure of placement, and when you are not preparing for the GATE examination, it will kill you in different ways. How? Emotionally, how it will kill you? The point is, when you are having the pressure and you are not having any background of the GATE examination, when you are sitting in the placement, at that time you are having tremendous pressure because you are not having any backup plan. And I always suggest the student that always appear in the placement cycle so that you will be having good experience. Once you get the offer letter, then you decide whether you should join the company or not, whether you are deserving this amount of the package or you belongs to something higher than this. Then you can decide, but first appear in that. And when you are appearing in the placement, you will be having more confidence if you are preparing for the GATE examination because you are having the backup. Your personality will be different. That is the psychologically win on the placement cycle. And another point is, when you are preparing for the GATE examination, then GATE examination you are preparing, you are having good command in the technical subject, you will be able to perform good in the interview. So these are the two ways where GATE exam will helps you in the placements as well. And along with that, GATE itself is a great placement because you will be getting admission into the IITs for the MTech program, or directly you can get the PSUs. That is nothing but placement itself. Okay, so less pressure in final year, higher chance of top rank and getting IIT admission and PSUs jobs directly. Early you will start, you will be having more time, you will be having good practice, and definitely your rank will be better than other students. Understand the GATE exam. What do you mean by this? Before preparing any examination, you have to understand what is the requirement of that particular examination and what is the exam pattern. Without knowing the psychology of that exam, you should not start preparing blindly, because knowing the exam syllabus pattern better will give you great direction, right direction how to approach this examination. So in the GATE examination, the total marks are 100. Complete weightage of total subject is 100. We can have three sections. One is engineering mathematics, second is general aptitude, and third one is your technical part. Engineering aptitude or general aptitude, we can say it is 15 marks of the weightage. Engineering mathematics is 13 marks, so total 28, and remaining 72 marks belongs to your core subject. Important skills that are tested in the GATE examination is conceptual understanding, conceptual clarity. GATE exam is not just a formula based exam. They are asking your conceptual clarity. So background of the formula is also very much important in the GATE examination. Problem solving ability, numerical ability, and time management, because it is a 3 hours paper and you are having 65 questions which are having a good in-depth. Therefore, that 3 hours is also not sufficient for the students sometimes. But if you have done great practice, then definitely 3 hours will be too much for you and you can complete the paper within given time. Okay. So the point is, time management is very important. So this is the process of the GATE examination. They are asking indirectly how you manage your time. Okay. First year strategy. So now the point is, sir, what should be our strategy in the first year? In first year, what subject we should study? So the very first subject that you should start with common fundamental subject or foundational subject when you are in the first year. So which subject you can say in throughout the engineering, you can say it is the foundation of the engineering mathematics. All the subjects will be based on this only. Everywhere it is going to apply. That's why you should start with the engineering mathematics. So foundational subject is engineering mathematics. Its basic is very important and it is going to apply in other subject as well. Basic electrical and basic electronics. If you talk about some engineering subject, if you belongs to electrical, electronics or instrumentation branch, then basic electronics or basic electrical, these kind of subjects should be your first priority to attempt or to solve or to understand. And then you can go for the slowly on the network analysis and signal and system. So these subjects should be your target in the first year, If you complete these subject, your foundation of fundamental will be very much strong. In the second year, you will be able to tackle control system and some electronic devices, analog circuit very easily, and definitely your growth will be at a great level. Okay. So next goal in the first year is build strong concept, not just speed. Okay. You are not focusing on the speed right now. You are building the concept, learning phase. Do not think about how much fast you are solving the question. That is not important right now. Okay. Next is 4-step study formula. So if you are in the first year or second year, what is the 4 steps study formula? The first is concept learning. Just start your subject, learn the concept, take the classes, video lectures, and solve the DPP. Okay, your subject is ready. Now second is step second should be this: solve the PYQ, previous year GATE examination questions. Once you have done with the subject videos, lectures, DPP, class questions, and PYQs, now you are having some experience of that subject. Now you are knowing after the PYQs that which topic is more important, from which formula GATE is asking frequently. Therefore, make your short notes. So now after doing these two, when you are revising your subject, along with that, you are having the idea which topic is more important, which topic is asked in the previous year, last 10 years. Just put that in the short notes so that you can reduce the length of your subject, reduce the length of your notes. Okay, because it will eventually helps you in the last time when you have to revise subject quickly, right? And the fourth step is revision cycle. So you have to revise after one day. After one day, every topic is completed. Just revise once, and then in 1 week, after 7 days, you should revise that particular thing that you have studied 7 days back, and then revise in the 1 month as well. So that these 3 revision cycles should be there in your preparation strategy, and along with that, you can revise as much as possible, because that will build the concept perfectly. You will not lagging any concept. All the things will be in your mind, just like a teacher only. Okay. So this is the way how you have to approach the first year. Now, common mistakes a first year student can do or can make. Avoid. Please try to avoid these mistakes. What kind of mistakes students generally do in the first year? Whenever they are in the first year, they are just enjoying the college, and because of the fear of the college subject, they are just focusing on the college pattern or college syllabus. And no doubt college syllabus is very much important, you must follow that. But along with that, not only rely on the college exam, along with that, just start preparing for engineering mathematics from GATE examination point of view, not from the semester exam point of view only. Okay, so the first point is studying only for college exam. So no, college exam is different and GATE exam is at different level. So just make both combined together, so that if you are aligning these two together and preparing engineering mathematics for GATE level, then definitely it will support you in the GATE exam. Along with that, in the semester, you will be getting good marks in this particular subjects and some basic electrical, basic electronics. Okay, whatever subject you are preparing in the GATE preparation journey, and that will help you in the semester exam as well. Ignoring engineering mathematics, okay, that I told you already. Not solving PYQs. In the first year, whenever you are preparing, you are thinking that, okay, I am having too much time, I will solve the PYQ later on. Don't do this. Just start practicing PYQ as early as possible, so that you will be having great flavor of the GATE examination. No revision strategy, sir, I am not revising because I am in the first year. No, start as early as possible. Keep on revising so that everything will be in your mind only. Okay. Next is studying too many resources. That should be avoided, because in the first year we are having too much energy. We are thinking that we will become a scientist. Yes, you will become the scientist, but the process is study one book many times. Only fixed resources you should have. We are having too many books for particular subject, 4 5, and not studying any single book. Just have a single book, a basic book, just study that, or follow any lectures of any teacher you are following. Just follow thoroughly with patience and continuity. Okay. Next, golden rule: one subject, pick one subject, one book. One book means one resource, either book or either video lecture, whatever, and then PYQs you have to solve. Okay, so this is the discussion for the first year student. This was my advice. this is my Telegram group, my dear students. Anyone who wants to connect with me personally, so this is my official Telegram group. This is the link and this is the scanner where you can scan and just directly reach out to me on the Telegram. So you must use Telegram because everything that is going on, all the informations are there on the Telegram about all the sessions, all the lectures, all the classes, all the free initiative, etc. And these are the official Telegram groups of the GATE Wallah. So this is GATE Wallah official Telegram channel for Hindi, and this is electrical electronics and instrumentation Telegram group for the EC electrical instrumentation branch specific. This is overall all the branches. If you belong to any branch, you can join that. And this is again for my my Kamesh sir PW. This is my Telegram group. You can scan it and you can reach out to me. And again, so this is GATE Wallah official Telegram channel. This is GATE Wallah English channel. So you people who are listening this video, obviously if you are listening on the English channel, definitely you belongs to the English language. So definitely you have to follow this channel if you belongs to English language. And these are the branch specific channels: CSIT, Civil, Mechanical, ECEEIN. So ECEEIN people should scan this so that you can have branch specific channel, and individual teacher like me, you can connect on that I have told you already. Scan over here, you will reach out to me. Okay, so this is all about today's session. In the next time we will be having some great session, great guidance session with all of you on some other topic. Thank you very much. See you next time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.